Hello and welcome to my video on installing the Active Directory Rights Management service. So we have our two servers up right here, 412 server 3 and 412 server 1. We're going to want to be on 3 for now and just have 1 running. So here we're going to open up Server Manager, and then we're going to go ahead and go to Manage, and we're going to add roles and features. Okay, we're going to go ahead and hit next until we get to the server roles window. Alright, and within here we are going to select Active Directory Rights Management Service. We're going to add those features. Going to go ahead and click next twice. And it's going to tell us all the things we need to know about Active Directory Rights Management Service. It's information protection technology that can be integrated with other applications to help safeguard digital information from unauthorized use. Alright, and things to note to deploy Active Directory Rights Management. You must create a new root cluster for certification and licensing using 1 or more servers. After deploying it, you cannot change the name of the domain to which the ADRMS server is joined. Alright, so we read that. I'm going to go ahead and click next. And we're going to accept the default role services, and then it's going to give us a little more information about the web server role. Alright, we're going to accept all the default selections. And then we're going to go ahead and get this bad boy installed. It's going to take a bit to install here, so bear with me. I'm going to go ahead and give a quick pause to the video while it installs. I'll be right back with you. Alright, we are back, and it looks like the installation was successful, so we're going to go ahead and just close. And then we got a notification flag because we need to perform additional configuration. And this just gives us the same information that I kind of read for you earlier. Alright, we're going to accept the default option of create a new Active Directory Rights Management Service root cluster. Go ahead and click next. And then it wants us to specify a database server and a database instance. Okay, never mind. It wants us to use the Windows internal database on this server. And we're going to specify the service account. And the username is going to be the one we created in another activity. And it's going to be ADRMS SVC. Enter the password, hit OK. And then we're going to go ahead and hit next. We're going to take the default cryptographic mode 2, RSA 2048-bit key, and SHA-256 hashes. I'm going to go ahead and hit next. We're going to keep the default use Active Directory Rights Management Service centrally managed key storage. Hit next. Then we're going to type our password here. I'm going to hit next. Alright, the cluster website, we're going to go ahead and click next. And in the cluster address window, we are going to have the connection type of Secure Socket Layer Encrypted Connection, HTTPS. And in the fully qualified domain name, we're going to type in 412 server3.412.1.local. And then we're going to go ahead and hit next. Then we got server certificate. We're going to accept the default option of choose an existing certificate. Click Next. In the license or certificate, the name, we're going to switch it to 412 DOM 1 Active Directory Rights Management Service. Alright, click Next. And it's going to say ADRMS service connection point can be registered in Active Directory domain services when the cluster is created. SCP provides clients with internet URLs for the cluster. So we're going to go ahead and accept the default option of register the SCP now, and we're going to click Next. And here we have the confirmation window. It gives us all the information: the cluster type, the server, service account, the mode for cryptography, all that good stuff. So we're going to go ahead and click Install and get that installed real quick. I'm going to go ahead and put you on a brief pause again while this installs, and I'll be right back with you. Alright, and we're back. It looks like it did successfully install. And you can see here, before you can administer Active Directory Rights Management Server services on the server, you must log off and log on again. So we're going to go ahead and close that out. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and do a quick log off here. Sign out, and then we're going to sign back in. Alright, and we just want to go ahead and, after Server Manager updates everything, we just want to verify that I can access Tools Active Directory Rights Management Services, because it should have updated the security token from me resetting the server. And it looks like right here, there we go. It looks like everything has loaded up successfully. And we're going to go ahead and wait for the snap-in just so you can see what this looks like. Alright, yeah, and it looks like everything is already set up for the Rights Management Server cluster. So we are good to go. Alrighty, well, I do thank you for watching my video on installing the Active Directory Rights Management Server role. I hope you found it educational, and I hope you have yourself a great day.